This is how to unclog one of these once you take the cap off. And you need to get all these leaves out. I've already done the downspout out there. Now let's continue a little bit. Already just ready to you know, the top does come off the beach and if you're careful not to break it. Yeah, that's how you unclog it. Thank you very much. Enjoy, and I hope this helps. Here's a little secret I just discovered while cleaning this out. As long as you don't glue the top onto the rest of it, it makes it easier to remove all as one. And then you can clean it. Just a little tip I learned. I hope this helps you all out. Thank you.